Hello everybody, I hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. So today I'm going to cook bacon and eggs. I ain't cooked it in about a week, so here's a knob of butter and I'm just going to put some bacon in there. I'm not going to make it mega crunchy how I usually like it because I still can't eat hard things, but sometimes you just got to go through it. And bacon and eggs is always good, apart from if it's crunchy. At the moment. So I've got a packet of bacon back rashers thick cut. If I could get into it. I managed to get into it for the first time. That's nice thick bacon. Just going to have a couple of them. Just going to cook them nice and slowly. Let's do this thing. Oh yeah, it's doing alright. A couple of eggs out. So I'm just going to have 2 eggs with it. And that'd be that, I suppose. Get a couple of eggs in there now. Just while that's cooking nice and slowly. Just while that butter's golden. Oh, well, look at that. Not so runny. That'd be alright. That's still on. Excellent. Right. I'll flip the bacon over a little bit. Looking good. What shall I have today? A bit of bread. This is me looking through the drawers, wondering what to eat. Whether to eat rolls or crumpets or
struggle with that.
bread. Just a couple of slices of Tesco white bread. Just double check that's recording. Yep, microphone's on. Yep. That's all good. That's cooking slowly. Lovely. Put that back in the fridge. Eggs cooked in butter and bacon fat. Just a bit Kerrygold on there, that's all. Nothing special. Well, it is special really, isn't it? I'll struggle with the crusts, but the sandwich will be alright. I didn't struggle with the crust, I ate them as well. That nice. I'll probably blitz that a bit with the old The problem with this torch is that it's lacking oxygen. That's why it keeps going out. Just try and put a skin on top of the yolks and just do the white as well, just so it's a bit more solid. So I don't have to flip the eggs at all. Makes it easy. Just crank up the heat a little bit. Let's try and cook some of that. Look at that, it's almost. Let's go in this frying pan. Frying pan's flipping. The frying pan is buckled. Leave it in the comments whether you like crispy bacon. Yeah, that's pretty good. Or, yeah, bacon like this. That looks good as well. I'm nearly there. Although the bacon don't look very cooked, but I don't want it to look hard that I can't eat it. About there. Right, let's get you out of this. Just turn that out there. flip you around. Just blitzed it again quickly, just on the yolk, just to firm it up a little bit. But doesn't that look nice, eh? I can tell you, it was delicious. There you go. Bacon egg. Running egg. And just cooked bacon as well. Made a bit of a mess around there, but you know, that'd be alright. Right. So there you go, bacon first time in 7 days. Bacon's not overly cooked. Egg is just what have I been missing? See you later, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.